Okay, another interesting case here. I'm sure if someone recognizes it from the outside, but I've never had one of these. So let's pop it open. There's two here, and then this is supposed to be stuck down, but it looks like it popped up already, so maybe this case isn't working great. Wow. This is an Elna Supermatic. It's got the knee control that all folds right up in there. Interesting, okay. Very cool. What's this? Cams and attachments. Yep, that looks like cams and stuff. Oh, look at that. That is an original oil can, it looks like. It must be a tool for popping the cams out. It says Supermatic on it. Wow. Some cams that are stuck together there. Are these? Yep, those are a pair that are stuck together as well. Oh yeah, okay. Well, I wonder how that goes if they're... But... Alright, I guess I'll have to figure out how that works, since we got all these cams in here. I have one that's marked for just a zigzag. Aha, here's a cam that's marked just a zigzag on it. So at minimum, we'll need to get a zigzag cam in here to test this. So I'll just put that in there. And okay. Alright, well, I have no idea how old the oil in this little oil can is going to be, so we'll set that aside. And it's definitely full, so I guess we'll have to see what's up with that. But and we've got a bobbin. It's stamped holes in one side and the other there. That looks like, a lot of bobbins look like class 15, so I guess we'll have to see what shape that is. But alright, I'm going to lift this out here and get that case out of the way, and we'll test this out. Alright, so I pulled this piece off from underneath, and there's more cams inside here, and a sliding compartment with the screwdrivers in it, although this screwdriver is stamped Simanco, so somebody lost the tiny screwdriver for their Elna here and replaced it with a Singer, and they bought extra fashion cams, so they had too many to fit underneath in the storage area. But the storage area has the darning foot and some other pieces in it. So, oh, covers that go over the feed dogs for darning, okay, and other feet. Alright, well, we're gonna set that nice case aside. Now, where is the bobbin on this machine? Oh, our light switch is separate from our motor power. So, Okay, well, the machine turns, but the clutch nut on the back is not. Alright, well, I guess we're going to have to start digging into this right away, because this clutch nut here doesn't turn. Oh, and that knee control is a pain. Alright. Yeah, there is the belt in here. There's no way this belt is connected to anything. Okay. We're going to have to start opening this up right away. So I'm going to take a second to unplug this. And I saw that, oh. Yeah. Alright. Stop and unplug. Alright, we're unplugging this. This machine's going to have to get rewired because you can see it's got this soft rubber cord and it started to crack here. And it's probably dry rotted and will crack in other places too. So we'll be replacing all the electric cord on this. But for now, I'm going to open this up and look at our belt situation, because this is the same day that yeah, if I'm gonna have to order belts, I'll need belts for this too, so let's see what we got in here. Alright, now there we go. Got that nut off. There's a that's an interesting clutch arrangement on there. Oh, this has a friction drive. Well, that explains that. And then this was in the box, and it is another friction drive. Okay, well. Let's see now. Alright, I'm going to have to figure out how to get this roll pin out here. I don't want to punch on that because I don't want to damage the motor, so it should pull out in some way. I might have to drill it out and then replace it, but we'll have to find a new drive tire for this because it obviously is never going to work with that drive tire on it. But since we're in here, or looking around anyway, I'll have to take this off and get ready to rewire it too, so. Yeah, the other end of this cord has also got cracks in it, so this cord would not be safe. And we get not much access from here. This is very, I don't know how I'm gonna get this cord replaced and unhooked here. Because this doesn't pull out very far. Oh, that was the other wire, not the power wire. Okay. Well, so we got to replace that anyway. We can cut the tail off, and then we can take a closer look at and now, with this completely like that, the wire is actually clamped in with a tiny set of brass screws on a tiny strain relief. See that adorable strain relief? Very nice. Very complicated and hard to make these things, but it's a very nice one. Alright, now, put the one screw back in here because I don't want to lose track of which wire is the one for the light switch, or for the light here. So the light terminal came on the top here, and then the only loose wires in here are the motor lead here and the spot where the common connection comes in. So alright. keep track of that. Then I'll have to be able to get a pliers and or a drill and get this pin out once I order a new one of these drive tires. Alright, and then the last thing that I need to know how to do on this is get the bobbin in and out. Oh, there's a plug storage spot here. Okay. I think it looks like this is a drop-in style bobbin. There. Yeah, okay, this is wild. There's a lot of thread on this bobbin, but okay. And I lift the bobbin case out. Nope. Guess I'll have to look up and see how to pop the bobbin case out for cleaning this. Yeah, that hook is rotating up, so. Alright, well, I guess, first things first, we gotta find a tire, but this Elna is gonna be an interesting machine.